Hi, welcome to another Python tutorial using the W3schools.com website. And in this tutorial, we will be going over Python membership operators. In order to code along, please go to this website, W3schools.com/Python and /Python operators.asp. To get there, you can also click on the Python tab and then go down to the Python operators tab here, and this one will be at the bottom. Okay, so in the other lessons we covered all of these other operators, and in this lesson we will be going over membership operators. Okay, by the way, in the previous one we went over identity operators. Okay, so what are membership operators in Python? Okay, a membership operator is used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. What does that mean? Okay, so, or what is that and what does that mean? So the first example of that is the in operator, and it returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. An example that would be x and y. Okay, let's just give that a try so you can see for yourself. Okay, I want you to click on the try it button, and I really want you to try this, okay? Because that's the only way you're gonna learn. So okay, so we have this list here, apple and banana list, assigned to variable x, and then we're gonna print, is banana in x? Okay, is this string banana inside of this variable x, which is a list, okay, containing two items. One is an apple, one is a banana. So press run. Okay, it says true. Now code it out. Okay, I know it's obvious, right? But just for the sake of learning the syntax, you have to code it. Okay, so apple, banana. You might be thinking, oh, this is so boring, you know, I can just do a project. Yeah, you could do a project, but the thing is with the projects is that it's a lot easier to do a project after you have the basic syntax down. If you have command, or if you're familiar with the basic syntax, then if you don't know the syntax, you're gonna hit so many roadblocks while you're trying to code a project. It's much easier just to go over, okay, these tutorials, which shouldn't take you that long if you do it quickly, okay, and then start working on a project. So let's see here. So if we press run, so banana is in this list. Okay, another way to look at this is you don't need to actually use a variable x. You could just put the list here directly and use the in operator to test if this string is in this list. Okay, so if you press run, it should also return true. Okay, and you could test for other things, right? You could see, is orange, is there an orange in this list? Orange. Okay, so is there an orange in this list? False, right? What about apple? True, right? Okay, so I want you to take a look at the other one here, because there is another operator, which is the not in. So it's basically the same thing except for not in. So what do you think this is going to return? Is apple not in this list? It is in the list, right? So this would be false. So okay, So you're familiar with this now. I want you to write your own list of something and then check if the value, okay, is in the list that you've created. Okay, so that covers the in operator and the not in operator using Python from the W3schools.com Python tutorials. In the next lesson, oh, and there's also this, okay, but we're not going to go over this. You can look at this on your own. In the next lesson, oh yeah, and please, if you have the time, you can test yourself with these exercises, okay? And in the next lesson, we will go over lists, Python lists, okay? So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.